पेडागोजी के इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs में आपसे डिस्कस करूँगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सक्सेस इन डेवलपिंग वैल्यू इज़ mainly development upon dash. We have 4 options: family, society, government, teacher. So the right answer is option D, teacher. Question number 2, how does an effective teacher make student attentive in class? We have 4 options: by distributing sweet, by punishing naughty children, by making one's teaching interesting, by telling story. So the right answer is option C, by making one's teaching interesting. Question number 3, conference or face-to-face dash. We have 4 options: discussion, negotiation, meeting, and none of these. So the right answer is option A, discussion. Question number 4, a written work by a student to demonstrate some literary or linguistic language is learned as dash. We have 4 options: demonstration, comprehension, composition, and homework. So the right answer is option C, composition. Question number 5, what is the teacher check the student work using multiple source of information? The task is called dash. We have 4 options. Option A, cross-checking, cross-matching, cross-cutting, and none of these. The right answer is option A, cross-checking. Question number 6. When a learner is learning to satisfy his need and wants, he is actually doing dash. We have 4 options: cognitive learning, sensory learning, experiential learning, and behavior learning. So the right answer is option C, experiential learning. Question number 7. In a dash, student formally present material, then responds to question from the audience. We have 4 options. Option A, dialogue. Option B, discussion. Option C, symposium. And option D, seminar. The right answer is option C, symposium. Question number 8. All the verbal and non-verbal communication between teacher and student are called dash. We have 4 options. Option A, signal. Option B, gesture. Option C, hands. And option D, dialogue. The right answer is option A, signal. Question number 9. An old but effective teaching strategy is dash. We have 4 options: read a lot, option B, reading, option C, silent reading, and option D, all of these. So the right answer is option A, read a lot. Question number 10. Dash is the method where the student asks question each other during presentation. So we have 4 options: peer classification, option B, oral questioning, option C, pairing question, option D, pair tutoring. So the right answer is option C, pair questioning. Question number 11. The most important duty of a teacher is dash. We have 4 options. Option A, complete the syllabus. Option B, maintain the discipline in the class. Option C, understand the student. And option D, teach well. इसमें देखा जाए तो चारों जो है बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट थे, और इसमें मेरा जो जहाँ तक ऑब्जर्वेशन रही है वो 2 क्वेश्चंस मुख्तलिफ रिसोर्स से मुझे मिल रही है। एक तो ये है कि कंप्लीट दी सिलेबस, दिस इज़ दी मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर। दूसरा ये कि मेंटेन डिसिप्लिन इन द क्लासरूम, क्योंकि क्लास को मैनेज करना, क्लास को मेंटेन रखना, क्लास में जो है डिसिप्लिन को मेंटेन करना बहुत ही लाजमी है, और वो बेसिक टीचर का जो है आंसर राइट होता है कि वो वहाँ पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वो वहाँ पे क्लास को मैनेज करें। और साथ साथ पाकिस्तान में अगर देखा जाए तो पाकिस्तान में जो हमारा जो निज़ाम तालीम है वो करिकुलम सेंटर है, तो इसमें सिलेबस को भी कंप्लीट करना लाजमी है। तो आप भी बता दें मुझे इनमें से कौन सा आंसर आप बेहतर समझते हैं, आप अप्रोप्रिएट समझते हैं। तो मेरे नज़दीक ये दोनों ठीक है, और मैं ज़्यादातर जिस चीज़ को रिकमेंड करता हूँ वो कंप्लीट दी सिलेबस है। Question number 12. If a student don't understand what is taught in the class, the teacher should. We have 4 options: repeat the lesson once again, teach the lesson again, giving more example, proceed the next lesson so the syllabus could be covered. Option D, check up the previous knowledge of the student in the topic. So the right answer is मेरे ख्याल से option D, check up the previous knowledge of the student in the topic. Question number 13. Which of the following is not related to educational achievement? We have 4 options. Option A, practice. Option B, experience. Option C, self-learning. And option D, heredity. The right answer is option D, heredity. Question number 14. Interactive phase is likely to be failed if dash. Option A, diagnostic phase is defective. Interactive phase is not properly activated. A post-active phase is not properly planned. Option D, both A and B. So the right answer is यहाँ पे option A and B both are correct answer. Question number 15. Reliability is an assessment related to the dash of an assessment. We have four options: usefulness, quality, consistency, and relevance. So the right answer is option C, consistency. Question number 16. The affective domain involves dash. We have four options: learning, knowledge, manner, and physical movement. So the right answer is option C, manner. क्योंकि जो affective domain है वो डील करता है हमारे मैनर को, क्योंकि वो हमारे हार्ट के साथ है, तो इसमें हमारा जो है एहसासात, हमारे जज्बात, हमारे तसव्वुरात इसमें शामिल होते हैं। तो मैनर इज़ द राइट आंसर। और इसमें जो है हमारा जो कॉग्निटिव डोमेन है, तीन हमारे पास टीचिंग के डोमेन से एक ही कॉग्निटिव जो कि हमारे नॉलेज या हमारे थिंकिंग लेवल को डील करता है, और आखिर में जो है हमारे पास साइकोमोटर है जो कि फिजिकल मोमेंट या फिजिकल प्रैक्टिस को डील करता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 है, व्हाट वाज द रिलेशन बिटवीन सुकराट एंड द प्लेटो एंड सुकराट का जो रिलेशनशिप था वो क्या था? ऑप्शन ए, सुकराट वाज द स्टूडेंट ऑफ प्लेटो. ऑप्शन बी, प्लेटो वाज द स्टूडेंट ऑफ सुकराट. ऑप्शन सी, Socrates and Plato were brother, and option D, Socrates and Plato were colleagues. So the right answer is option B, Plato was the student of Socrates. Question number 18. In direct instruction method or lecture method, the teacher is considered as dash. We have four options: partner, facilitator, delegation, and formal authority. So the right answer is option D, formal authority. Question number 19. An assessment is dash if it consistently achieve the same result with the same student. So we have four options: valid, invalid, reliable, and unreliable. So the right answer is option C, reliable. क्योंकि reliable इसलिए कि इससे पहले भी हमने MCQs में डिस्कस किया था कि वो असेसमेंट जिसमें हमारा जो रिजल्ट है वो कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ आ जाता है उसको हम रिलायबल असेसमेंट या टेस्ट कहते हैं। Question number 20. As people get older, the ability of applying or maintain attention dash. Now we have four options: increase, decrease, stay constant. Option D, remain unaffected. So the right answer is option B, decrease.